Hey guys, welcome back to Maintenance Man on a Budget. Today we're going to do a quick check and see what our air filter looks like. This car is a 2010 Hyundai Sonata. Great car. It's got about almost 150, 160,000 miles, still running like a champ. Um, One of the reasons it's still running like a champ is because we do these types of maintenance items as per what is required on the maintenance manual. I believe it's every 25 to 30,000 miles or so. You check your air filter, check your oil level, things like that. Some people have asked me, should I be changing the air filters? Well, you need to check them first. So on this type of vehicle, your air filter sits here. But maybe you have a different vehicle. Look for any intake air system where you see the ducting or the intake piping, and you'll see where it comes into a box somewhere on the side, some maybe on top, depending on your maker model. You'll have clips. You'll have to undo one here. You can see the little clips there, and then there's one in the very back. And you just pop that out and reach inside there. Okay. Sorry, one hand wonder. All right. And it's in good shape, right? There's no rips, no tears. It's still not completely black. You shouldn't really be seeing dark black. That you might have some other problems going on, because that'd be indications of oil possibly. But you want to look for dirt. I've had all kinds of crazy stuff. Mice and rats got up into some of these things, not this car, but other vehicles that I've worked on, and completely eaten these filter paper up, and then like to make a little nest in there. So if you're able to, get an air compressor. All right, so we're going to take air compressor and blow it through. The filter sits in that way, and the air comes in through that vent and blows through the top. So it comes through the top down. So that's how I want to blow the compressed air through and blow out anything that might be stuck into these crevices. I would not recommend, and you can kind of see here a little bit of discoloration forming this way and coming out like that. I wouldn't say it needs to be changed right now, but definitely by the next time I do an oil change, or say another 5,000 miles or whatever your next scheduled check is, you might want to go ahead and just buy a new air filter. But what I'm going to do is just try to blow it out, and there are filter cleaning kits you can buy as well. I just change them out. So these, you can kind of see inside there how the air comes from the top of this, blows through and goes in through the combustion chamber. And so anyway, I'm going to be blowing from the top down. Look at all that dirt. Pretty nasty. And so now we got the filter nice and clean. We'll pop that back in. So like I said, it's really important to keep up on your maintenance. Like with anything else, you want to change your air filters on a regular basis. Your dipstick, I have a video that explains how to make sure you're reading the dipstick correctly. And that's how you check your air filters, guys. Simple inspections will save you hundreds of dollars. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like videos like this and how-to videos, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Maintenance Man on a Budget. We're all about showing how to do basic things on your own, DIY projects on your own. All about helping you guys save money. If you're watching this video, you're probably just wanting to know how to change an air filter. If it looks something like that, you could probably get away with it for a couple more, miles. Definitely not something like that. Definitely isn't needing to be changed right away. But just by simply doing what I did, it'll save you another 2,000-3,000 miles. Who knows, right? Definitely keep up on your maintenance, guys. Any questions or comments, you know where to write them down below. and we'll see you next time.